This video will show you how to create a chart of accounts in UniPhi via manual entry. First, go to the menu and select Configuration. Then click on Chart of Accounts. Press the yellow plus icon and give it a name. The Type drop-down allows you to tell UniPhi if these are cost or revenue codes. The minimum access determines which users can see this chart of accounts, and thus who can use it to create budgets and contracts. Press Save once you have made your selections. Click on the name of your chart to start entering codes. Enter the code and description for all of the Level 1 codes in your chart of accounts. Press Save when you are done. You can click this arrow to create Level 2 or subcodes underneath the code it is next to. Enter the codes and descriptions as you did before and press Save. You can see the full chart of accounts by pressing the back arrow. Press Project to add more Level 1 codes to the list. To add more subcodes, press the heading or Level 1 code that you want the subcode to sit underneath. If your chart of accounts has too many codes to enter manually, save your time and see this video for how to import your chart of accounts from Excel. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.